Welcome to Gravity Automotive. If you're looking for a luxury compact SUV that blends style, technology, and everyday usability into one compelling package, stay tuned because we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Acura ADX A-Spec Advance AWD. Right off the start, imagine pulling up in a vehicle that turns heads with its bold exterior and refined Acura's signature design, yet remains practical enough for your daily commute or weekend escape. In that first 30 seconds, the ADX delivers 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque from a 1.5-liter turbocharged VTEC 4-cylinder engine, channels it through a continuously variable transmission and available all-wheel drive, while boasting an EPA combined fuel economy of around 27 mpg and an approximate range of 378 miles on a full tank. That's the kind of punch and efficiency this compact luxury crossover brings. Let's walk around the exterior. The ADX's dimensions measure 185.8 inches in length, 72.5 inches wide, and 63.8 inches tall, riding on a 104.5-inch wheelbase for the A-Spec Advance AWD version, which gives it a sculpted, athletic stance with wide rear haunches and that signature Acura chicane LED daytime running light design. The A-Spec styling emphasizes sportier cues, 19-inch sharp gray alloy wheels, black accent trim, and LED fog lights sharpen the look. Inside, the design carries over with a premium feel. You get a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster in the driver's line of sight, a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, QI-compatible wireless phone charging, and an available 15-speaker Bang & Olufsen premium audio system that envelops the cabin with rich sound. Seating is trimmed in high-quality leather, often with contrast accents, especially in the A-Spec models, a flat-bottom sports steering wheel, ambient lighting, and available ventilated front seats to match the premium ambiance. On the performance side, under the hood sits that turbocharged 1.5-liter i4, putting out 190 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 179 pound-feet of torque, starting around 1,700 RPM. It's paired with a CVT and, optionally, the advanced AWD system, which on the A-Spec Advanced AWD version results in a curb weight of about 3,566 pounds with a 58-42 front-to-rear weight distribution. That balance helps the ADX feel composed and responsive without sacrificing the smooth ride and quiet cabin you'd expect from a luxury brand. Fuel economy is quoted at around 25, 30, 27 mpg city-highway combined for the AWD variant, delivering a roughly 378-mile range. So you're not just driving performance, you're also seeing real-world usability in the mix. Inside the cabin, the ADX is designed for practicality as well as luxury. There's comfortable seating for 5, with decent rear legroom and headroom considering the compact footprint. The cargo area is versatile, with the rear seats folded, and you'll find convenience features like a hands-free power tailgate on higher trims, rear AC vents, heated steering wheel, and thoughtfully placed USB ports and storage zones. Technology is comprehensive. Besides the digital cluster and infotainment, the vehicle incorporates the integrated dynamic system that lets you choose drive modes, including normal, comfort, sport, snow, and on certain trims, an individual mode, so you can tailor the throttle response, steering feel, and even gauge color to your preference. Safety and driver assistance features are plentiful. The ADX comes standard with the AcuraWatch suite of advanced features: forward collision warning, collision mitigation braking system, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, and road departure mitigation. On the A-Spec Advance package, you'll find additional upgrades, such as a surround view camera system, blind spot information system with rear cross-traffic monitor, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, rain-sensing wipers, and the very rigid ACE body structure that enhances crash protection. All of these combine to give you confidence, whether you're navigating city traffic or taking a highway ride. On pricing and release, for the USA, the A-Spec Advance AWD version that we're focusing on carries a base MSRP of around $45,350. And the price-tested example we referenced was about $45,950 after options. For example, urban gray paint adds about $600. The ADX goes on sale now for model year 2025 and represents Acura's entry into the compact luxury SUV segment with a mix of upscale features, sporty styling, and strong value. If you're watching in Pakistan or elsewhere, be sure to check local availability, pricing, import duties, and spec differences in your market. All in all, the 2025 Acura ADX A-Spec Advance AWD is an impressive package. Sleek, sporty, premium, yet practical, with a well-engineered powertrain, modern tech, and a full slate of safety systems. For anyone looking for a luxurious compact crossover that doesn't feel compromised, this is one that deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching Gravity Automotive. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.